Hey, welcome back to Land Rover Fans Augusta. Today, I'm going to start taking apart the Land Rover. Got to take the engine cover, oil pan off, pulleys. So I'm going to try to do the front engine cover, timing cover, since I cracked it. So that's the plan. Yeah, so I went ahead and marked the front engine cover, just numbered the holes. It's where the water pump bolts are. I'll probably leave the water pump on and just take out the 3 bolts and try to keep them in order. Just a little template there might be useful if anybody's doing this job. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Put the fan off. Yeah, took the fan off. Goes that way. Just knock it with a hammer. Found many tutorials online with that. And now I loosened up the pump. Loosened up the tensioner, and I loosened up the 3 bolts on the water pump pulley, and then I'm working on the crank right now. And I'm going to use the belt technique, and I'm just going to wrap the belt around that crank and see if I can get it to work. The things you get off the internet. Alright, so basically what I did was wrap that belt around the crank pulley and loosen the nut. That was it. Lefty loosey. And sorry, about the best I can do right now. Next step, I've got oil filter off. I drained the oil. Next step is to start taking the oil pan down and see how much access I have for this front engine cover. That's the next step. To drain the coolant, and I'm just trying to figure out the best way to do that, because I want to be able to reuse the coolant. I don't want to waste that all, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Sorry for the lighting, but go ahead. Put that back in. Oh. Nothing exciting. Okay, those bolts will be fun getting off back there, huh? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. 5, 6 bolts, I think. Just to recap what I've done so far, I removed the main pulley, water pump pulley, the belt, the viscerous fan. I've drained the oil. And next step is the oil pan. And then from there, drain the coolant. I think I'm going to call it a day for now. It's just a lot of work. And we'll resume another day. Made a mess. Basically took off the hose in here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it would help. Took off the hose, 2 clamps, lowest point I could find, and now she's just dripping. I'm gonna leave it for there for right now. Okay, just taking off the water pump. It's 10 mil. And I'm putting them over here on this cardboard. And then I have some larger bolts, which I believe are 13. And those you gotta and sorry I didn't film. It was just too much to film for me, too much stress. But I'm buttoning up the new parts today, and all goes well. I'm missing one of these bolts, so it's a 5/16 by 8, 2" and a quarter. This is going to be impossible to find, but we're going to go to the hardware store and see if we can match one up. This is where we're at. I got the old front timing cover off. I have that, however, believe I have a problem with this. Oh man. Alright, Land Rover fans, I got the old timing chain cover off. Okay then.